There's the man right there. Speed Addict 731 in the house. Hell yeah. What's up, buddy?
What's up, homie? What's up, big T?
Man,
Thanks for making the drive, man. Yeah, no problem. Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Tennessee. That's right, I said Tennessee. We're still down here hanging out with Boosted 931, and Speed Addict 731 showed up. So, we're all hanging out. We just got done having some lunch together, and we're going to head back to the house, hang out for a few hours, and then it's off to Jake's drag strip tonight. So, we'll be taking you guys along for the ride, and it should be a real good time at the drag strip today, you guys. Check it out, everybody. Speed Addict 731 is rolling out the drag radios. Oh yeah, things are getting serious tonight. We're going to Jake's, everybody. Oh yeah. Top 10 list, right, Boosted?
that's right. We're going. I'm gonna go do some testing. We're not allowed to go on the list this week, so maybe next time we're gonna go do some testing.
All right.
Check you guys out.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, Boost and I are going to take Speed Addict's car for a little spin. Let's hop in and go for a ride. You ready to go, bro?
It's all yours.
We got the man. This is his way.
I usually don't let people take off from my car.
I just want to do a little hit. Well, we might wait a second because it's going uphill, so I'm just gonna give you a little hit what it sounds like taking off. Okay, so the car pulls really good. This is
Hey you guys, I hope you enjoyed going for a quick ride in Speed Addict's Mustang. I was very grateful that he tossed the keys to Boosted 931 and I and let us go out for a little spin and have a little fun with his car. We're trying to burn up let me rephrase that. We're trying to burn up the pump gas in the car so he can put a full tank of E85 in there tonight so we can go down to Jake's drag strip and have a good time. I was actually going to keep shooting this video and take you guys to Jake's drag strip in this video, but I decided not to. I've shot a lot of footage today of Ken's car. Let me get out of this car real quick. Shot a lot of footage of Ken's car today. Shot a lot of footage of Boosted's Nova going down the road. And I think you guys are going to enjoy the day we spent together hanging out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button, give us a subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.